On a regular home serger, the foot looks like this, and the plate looks like this. When you're trying to do a roll hem, I'm going to switch them out to this foot and the plate with the needle on it. You want to add a bit of tension, and you want to shorten the stitch length to about half. Here's the new foot and plate, and here's the extra tension. Use 50-pound fishing line and prepare your fabric by running a stay stitch on the finish line of the hem. Get the fishing line started so the thread is wrapping around it. Run it through the machine so the stay stitch is right under the fishing line. The fabric has a tendency to bunch up, so smooth it out before you cut off the fishing line.